Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Frollo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. Enter your passcode and the home page of Frollo's application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Frollo's account. Click on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your Frollo's account by tapping on Yes Logout. This is how you can log out of your Frollo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.